TT House by PsA Architecture in Awith Grave NNG, Vietnam. The homeowner needed to build a house that could be used as an office. Therefore, PsA Architecture chose a modern design with a minimalist interior style to create a TT house that is both comfortable for work and relaxing for family members to rest and unwind. TT House is located in a new residential area in Da Nang, Vietnam. This area has complete infrastructure, moderate construction density, a quiet environment, and is not far from the Han River. The house has a construction area 168 square meters and is a home and office for a family of 4. With the advantage of a spacious 315 square meters plot, the team of architects created a setback on all 4 sides, especially the front and back yards, to increase the efficiency of sunlight and ventilation for TT House. In addition, the corridors and gardens with lots of greenery also help to purify the air, bringing a feeling of peace and comfort to the family. TT House has a 3-level structure, with the first floor for office work and the second and third floors for family living space. The structure of TT House is created by simple geometric lines, emphasizing proportions rather than details, creating a harmonious transition and a natural and refreshing lighting effect. To make the living space more light and intimate, the team of architects used minimalist and uniform materials, contrasting the white walls and natural wood furniture. Thanks to this delicate design, the overall interior of TT House has a sense of stability but is no less impressive. All family activities and office work inside TT House revolve around the inner courtyard with a skylight, a pond, and greenery in the center. The inner courtyard is the axis that connects the main spaces so that all family members can always see and talk to each other, thereby increasing closeness and bonding. The inner courtyard is also a place of interaction between the 2 indoor and outdoor atmospheres, a place of direct contact with nature, which can cool the hot summer heat or reduce the coldness of the winter winds. In conclusion, TT House is a harmonious work between living space and work area, bringing both work efficiency and not erasing the bonding function, creating comfort and convenience for family activities.